What if I told you that a few well-placed bets in AI today could turn into life-changing wealth by the year 2030? If you're new here, I help investors like you spot the next big thing in the markets before the rest of the world catches on. So if you're serious about building wealth with smart investing, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm breaking down 3 AI stocks that I truly believe have the potential to skyrocket by the end of this decade. These aren't just random picks. These are companies at the heart of the artificial intelligence revolution. I'll show you exactly why they're poised to win, how they make money, and where they could go from here. And stick around until the very end because I've got a bonus pick, a small-cap AI stock that's flying under the radar but could deliver massive returns if it plays out right. Let's dive in. Before we jump into the stocks, let's understand the why. Artificial intelligence isn't just some tech buzzword anymore. It's becoming the backbone of nearly every industry: healthcare, finance, automotive, marketing, logistics, you name it. According to PwC, AI could contribute over $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030. That's more than the combined GDPs of India, Germany, and Japan. Just let that sink in. We're at the start of a massive AI infrastructure build-out. Just like we needed railroads in the 1800s or the internet in the 2000s, we now need chips, software, and data centers to power AI. And those who invest early, like right now, are setting themselves up for exponential returns. First on our list, and no surprise here, is NVIDIA. This isn't just a graphics card company anymore. NVIDIA is the backbone of AI computation. Their GPUs, like the A100 and H100, are used in virtually every major AI model training process, including OpenAI's GPT models, Meta's Llama, and Google's Palm. In fact, according to a recent report, over 80% of AI data centers rely on NVIDIA hardware. Here's the kicker: in Q1 2025, NVIDIA posted $26 billion in revenue, up a jaw-dropping 260% year-over-year. Their data center division alone brought in over $18 billion. But what really sets them apart is their software moat. Tools like CUDA allow developers to build AI applications specifically optimized for NVIDIA hardware. That means switching to a competitor isn't easy. So yes, NVIDIA is already a trillion-dollar company, but with AI still in its infancy, NVIDIA could double or triple from here by 2030. Next up is a software play that's becoming a quiet AI powerhouse: Palantir Technologies, ticker PLTR. Palantir isn't making chips. They're building the AI brains that help governments and companies make real-time decisions from massive datasets. Their legacy platforms, Gotham for military and government intelligence, and Foundry for commercial clients, are already widely adopted by the US military, JP Morgan, Airbus, and others. But the game changer is their new platform, AIP, Artificial Intelligence Platform. AIP lets companies deploy large language models in a secure, integrated environment. Think ChatGPT, but tailored for businesses, fully embedded in workflows, compliant with regulations, and powered by real-time data. And guess what? Palantir just hit GAAP profitability. That's a big deal. It shows the company can grow and scale sustainably. They've gone from a high-risk bet to a solid, long-term AI play with 5x, 10x potential by 2030. Now let's talk infrastructure. While NVIDIA gets the spotlight, this next company is the unsung hero behind AI data centers: Supermicro Computer, ticker SMCI. Supermicro builds custom, AI-optimized server solutions, basically the machinery that powers data centers where all the AI models live and run. They've partnered closely with NVIDIA, Intel, and AMD to build turnkey server systems optimized for AI workloads, high-efficiency cooling, dense GPU configurations, scalable storage, everything enterprises need. In the past 12 months, SMCI has grown revenues by over 100%, and the stock? Up over 800%. Why? Because demand is exploding, and Supermicro has the agility to deliver faster and more efficiently than legacy players like Dell or HPE. Despite the recent surge, they're still small enough to have tons of upside. If you want an infrastructure stock to ride the AI wave, SMCI is it. Now for our bonus stock, one that's high risk, high reward: SoundHound AI, ticker SOUN. SoundHound is focused on voice AI. Their tech is used in smart speakers, cars, restaurants, anywhere people interact with machines using voice. They've landed deals with Hyundai, Mercedes, and multiple fast food chains. Their voice AI systems help power ordering kiosks, customer service, and in-car assistance. The opportunity? If they can carve out a dominant spot in voice AI, an industry expected to exceed $30 billion by 2030, this small-cap stock could 10x or more. But it's still early, and the path is risky. This one belongs in your speculative bucket, but could be the next breakout. These companies are positioned at the core of the AI revolution. If you believe in the future of artificial intelligence, this is where the smart money is going. Which of these stocks are you most excited about? Or do you have a hidden AI gem I should look at? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.